Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Economics at a Glance. Well guys, we are done with the basic concepts of economics. So today we will discuss some MCQs regarding those concepts which we have already covered in this mock test 1. So if you will face any doubt in any kind of question, you can freely ask in the comment box. Okay, so before moving to the question series, let me tell you, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. So let's get started. So first question is, meaning of economics is most closely associated with the word, that is unlimited, free, scarce or none. Well, what economics is? Using scarce resources to produce and after production to distribute among the society. So what is the answer? Answer is scarce. Next question is, in which of the following economic system there is complete absence of private sector? Well, answer is communism. Why not socialism? Because in socialism I have mentioned some portion of private sector involvement is there. But in communism there is absolute no presence of private sector. Only government sector presence. So next question is, the concept of mixed economy was introduced by the scientist J.M. Keynes. Next, dash is the power regulator of all economic activity in capitalistic economy. Well, what is capitalistic economy? In the economy where the major role plays what? That is market. And in market, what plays the major role? That is price. So price is the power regulator of all economic activity in capitalistic economy. Next is, which of the following goods possess utility? Free goods, economic goods, but both of them have utility. We can use both of this. So the answer is both. Next is, which of the following is an external, material and non-transferable? See, non-transferable. The answer is driving license, because it is external, it is material, but we cannot transfer it to anyone because it is not any valid for other people. So next question is, which of the following goods possess value in use? Free goods, economic goods. Well, both of them have value in use, but here the answer is both. But if the question is, which of the following goods possess value in exchange, then the answer will be economic goods. Why? Because we cannot exchange free goods. We only can exchange the economic goods. Next is, wealth consists of all potentially exchangeable means of satisfying human wants. Well, this definition is given by J.M. Keynes. Next question, that is, which of the following falls under cosmopolitan wealth? Well, I have given the example in my lecture, that is ocean. Okay. Next, that are the basic wants which we are forced to do or use either by social customs or people around us expect us to do so. Well, basic wants mean necessaries, but it is bound by social custom. That means it is conventional necessary. I have told you, Holi, Diwali, color in Holi, diyas in Diwali, they are conventional necessaries. Yes or no? Next question is, producer goods are called dash. Well, answer is second order goods. Why? Because I have told you, producer goods, they will give indirect satisfaction. We cannot derive direct satisfaction by consuming the producer goods. That is why it is second order good, and consumer goods are first order goods. Clear? Next question is, according to the utility or Marshallian analysis of consumer behavior, marginal utility decreases with increase in money spending, increases, constant, and none of the above. What will be the answer? It will be constant. Repeatedly I am mentioning the assumption marginal utility of money is constant. Yes? Okay. Next question is, in the process of consumption, consumer stops purchasing the commodity at a point where marginal utility is equals to price. Okay, marginal utility is equal to price. Next, marginal utility of a commodity is the utility derived from dash of the commodity. Well, what is marginal utility? the extra unit of utility derived when we go for an extra or additional unit of commodity. So the answer is additional. Next is according to LDMU, that is law of diminishing marginal utility. The consumer derives maximum satisfaction when will be the maximum satisfaction I have told? When total utility is maximum, and when total utility is maximum, marginal utility will be 0, which is the maximum satisfaction point. Next is in economics, ceteris paribus means what? I have told many times, other things remain constant. Okay. Next is LDMU is not applicable in case of rare collections, dissimilar units, abnormal persons. Well, all I have covered in the limitation of LDMU. So the answer will be all of the above. Okay. Next is when total utility increases, marginal utility will be, see, I have told you when total utility is maximum, marginal utility will be 0, and we have know that marginal utility is always decreasing. That means it is decreasing. But when total utility is maximum, marginal utility is 0. That means before that it will be positive. Yes or no? So the answer will be positive but decreasing. Clear? Next. Next is LEMU is otherwise called, what it is called? Gaussian second law, right? Law of substitution, right? Law of proportionality, it is also right. So the answer will be all of the above. Clear? Next, LEMU is applicable when quantity of money is limited, unlimited or single commodity. See, LEMU is how we will use our limited budget to allocate among different commodities so that marginal utility derived from each commodity will be proportionate. That means our money availability is limited. Clear? Next. Next is the consumer surplus is given by the scientist Alfred Marshall. Next, if price of the commodity increases, then consumer surplus. Well, what is the relationship between consumer surplus and price? They are inversely related. That means if price will increase, consumer surplus will decline. So answer is it will decrease. Next, the principle of proportionality of an individual is given by, well, the answer is MUX by PX equals to MUY by PY equals to MUZ by PZ. Clear? Next, the consumer surplus is worked out by total utility gain, that is according to utility what we are willing to pay and the total amount spent, that is what we have actually paid. The difference between that is consumer surplus. Okay, fine. So with this, the first mock test is over. Well, I'll come with the next mock test, that is mock test 2, very soon. Till then, do view, like and share my videos containing the basic concepts of economics. Thank you so much.